Wow, I was just trying to shift into first with my right foot, pressing the dang brake. All right, anyways, guys, today is gonna be wild. So just the other day, I think yesterday actually, we put on our Instagram story on Kelloggshowkids, we put up a poll saying, should we go through a car wash on our rockets? These are our rockets, guys. And everyone pretty much voted yes. We had like, I don't know, 80 yeses and maybe 5 no's. So today, 24 hours later, we're going to the car wash, guys. So I'm not sure if it's gonna hurt or not. I'm sure it is. We're wearing t-shirts because we're going to the one at the bottom of our road, which is just power jets, straight up power jets, no brushes. They're just like this. They just go over you, spray in every direction. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna have soap and everything. So let's get to it. I'm stoked. So yeah, let's go see how it turns out. I'm gonna go meet Dally at the top of the drive. But Dally's getting our tokens out because we basically have free car washes to this car wash. And we go like a lot with our dirt bikes. So we have tons of tokens. So this whole thing's gonna be free. So let's get it. We're not allowed to do this?
Huh?
We're YouTubers and we're gonna film a video of us going through them. People have done it multiple times.
You don't think it's gonna hurt?
I don't think so. People do it.
It's like 1200 PSI. I mean, I can't stop. I was just gonna say you might want to just rinse them off.
Yeah, because we have the camera set up. We're just, because we're YouTubers. We have a bunch of followers. I mean, do you think it's gonna really hurt or like?
I mean, it's not gonna feel good.
No? It's not gonna like cut us or anything, right?
Depends on how close you are to it.
Dead center.
What I would recommend is like spray your hand real close with the pressure washer there. And these are a little stronger than the hand pressure wash.
Okay.
But it's a little farther away from the cars, so because it reads lasers, so I don't even know if it'll make it around you is the problem. It might just turn and hit you, I don't know.
What would happen if it hit it? Will it stop? Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
It won't like.
I'm not too worried about it like hurting the bike or anything, but
I don't know if it'll complete the cycle though, is the only thing. And then you're gonna get power foam.
Yeah.
And spot free. And then you might want to talk to the owner before you do this.
Yeah.
He's here. I could ask him. I'll tell him you guys are YouTubers and you want to run through the automatic with your bikes.
Is there a chance he's gonna say no?
It's not my watch. I don't know it. I just manage it.
Yeah.
So, but I just don't know if it'll make it around you. Because once you put in your money, it's gonna undercarriage blast. Boom.
Yeah.
That's gonna be pretty rough.
Okay.
Because it's this bar right here and all these nozzles. As soon as you get your bike over here and it trips that sensor, boom, underneath you. And then you gotta run into there until it sees you and tells you to stop.
Because I mean, I'll talk to him, but if there's a chance he'll say no, I think we just, I mean.
I mean, just so you know, if there are any damages.
Yeah, I'm fully aware of that. That's on us.
Yeah.
Sweet, I'm gonna go set the camera up in a better angle if we have to go all the way up. I mean, he said if it does hit the bike, it'll cut off.
Kind of, yeah. It's gonna knock you off the bike.
Yeah.
Because it's not an arm, but there's a hinge at the top where the tube neck, and it's gotta have enough pressure. As soon as it hits enough pressure, it shuts off.
Okay.
What is it?
Kelloggshowkids. Yeah, I have merch right here.
Oh, are you with the Kellogg's?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we live right up there.
Yeah. You have like a lot of brothers and sisters.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 12.
12.
12 siblings.
Okay. I remember they used to bring the van down here.
Yeah.
Your old van?
Yeah, that was a while ago. I remember
the
that.
maroon beast that said, you know, Kellogg.com.
Yeah, I remember that thing.
Yeah.
That was fun. Here we go, guys!
going that way.
Well, it's actually on. It doesn't know what to do.
It can't read you. That's why it went all the way to the back.
Okay,
Because it's
purposes.
Yeah, there's not enough of you. You're not substantial enough.
What if we go it like a train? Would that work better?
Try to stagger maybe.
Like I just did that?
Like if you came in and sat maybe at an angle and he sat at an angle behind you maybe?
You have to represent like an almost like a car, like a whole car.
So we need to go back to that floor building.
And if you're
Almost.
if you're right on his ass basically, a little bit further forward, like right there, yeah, then it would probably be
Would
able to
4
track.
mics do it?
Huh?
4 mics might do it.
See, the problem is that there has to be something constantly between these 4 lasers. If it sees air, then it's going to think something's wrong or somebody pulled out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because all it's doing is shooting lasers back and forth, reading them,
Okay.
and seeing where you're at.
So this one is detecting the front of your bike.
Okay.
These two are making sure that it's looking at a car the whole time. If it's not and it sees a gap, it thinks you left, and then it just shuts off.
Oh. Okay, so if we put like my back wheel on with this front wheel right next to each other?
I'd say like this, yeah, you might be able to.
Yeah.
Might be able to. So, but you can travel this out, but you're gonna have to stay. That's pretty refreshing. It's so hot.
That felt real nice.
The soap may not feel very good.
Yeah.
Just keep your mask on.
Oh, we will.
Yeah, for sure, because it's like, I mean, even if you're like breathing, it kind of costs it.
Well, I guess you guys want to head out or go around?
Go back around?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got to go back around. We're going to have to put it back to home, reset it.
Okay. The soap, huh? We're getting whacked. Oh! Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. I'm whacked. I'm all protected. freaking amazing. These guys, shout out to these guys down here at Pit Stop. They're so amazing for helping us out, showing us how it works, and being there just in case something went wrong. But they're pretty awesome for letting us do that. One, and two, guys, that was so much fun. It felt so good. Can't wait to do it again. I want to do that again. Like, that was sick. Guys, that was freaking amazing.
I'm so clean. I don't have to take a shower tonight.
Your helmet's so clean.
Oh, the bugs are gone.
Yeah. All right, guys. First wheelie on a clean bike. Ready for this? Make sure there's no cops. Oh, that was bad. That was real bad. Whoa. Dude, I almost went off the road! Dude, straight up, that was one of the coolest things I've done on a street bike in a while.
Look how clean it is.
I know, we're so clean. Dude, we got waxed. Feel my skin, bro. Feel that skin. Yeah, man. It's actually pretty smooth. But straight up, guys, that was so dope. Stay tuned for more videos, especially motovlogs, guys, because we just got the whole setup. Look, we got the Cardo Pack Top Slim on our helmets. We're getting the GoPro stuff to hook it up to our GoPro to start freaking motovlogging. And we're going to film so many motovlogs. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Drop a like, comment if you can, because YouTube keeps disabling them. But please share this video and click subscribe, guys. See you next time. Woo!